Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista and welcome to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we're presenting a brand new 5-bedroom single detached house and lot for sale located here in an exclusive 4-unit development in Mandaluyong City near EDSA, Shaw, and Wilson Street in San Juan. So this is a strategically located property in a very secure and residential area. Now, let's begin by taking a look at one of the units in this development. Let's go! Now, let's begin with the parking. This property has space to park up to 5 vehicles. So you have 2 here, you can have a 3rd vehicle here, and then 2 more vehicles down here. And you have access towards the service areas of the house right here. And let's head on up towards the main entry. So you have an elevated ground level. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Now, the ground level is dedicated more towards the parking, the service areas, and you have a staff room and a driver's room, each with their own bathrooms on this level. But right upon entry, you already have a usable space right here, which you can use as a nice foyer space just to welcome guests, or you can use this as an additional storage area as well. So you can have an L-shaped sofa right here, or you can use this as storage. And this property also has an elevator giving you access to all 4 levels of the property. And taking a look right here, in terms of practicality, on top of your modern kitchen in your main amenity level, you also have a full service kitchen right here with a kitchen branded range hood, and you can have a large oven right here. You have access here towards the side of the house where you have the driver's room. And on the other side, you have the maid's room and an additional storage room as well. And now let's head on up towards the 2nd level. Let's go. Welcome to the 2nd level of this property, and you can see your open concept plan for your living and dining space. Now, this property just finished construction, so there are still some items being retouched throughout the property, but as of now, it's already basically ready for furnishing and moving in. And you have cove lighting for the 2 areas of your amenity space. So you have this as your main living area. So I'm gonna stand here in the middle so you can appreciate the size of the space. You have a private balcony right here. And what's nice is there's even a faucet, so if you want to have some potted plants right here. That's a nice touch. And you also have quality windows, and check out the sturdy screens also. So that's great, especially if you have pets. And from your living space, you have your dining area right here. You already have two Samsung branded split type air conditioning units for your main amenity area. And there are even perspectives here of how it can potentially look if you have furniture. So you can have a table here for 6 to 8 people, maybe even 10 people if you orient it this way. And of course, from your dining area, you have your modern show kitchen. I'm gonna step in so you can have a feel for the dimensions of the space. So you have a Kitchen branded stainless steel range hood here, and you can have a large oven and cooktop. And you have a nice 2-level countertop right here. So you can have stools on the other side, make this a nice informal breakfast nook, and then this is a nice meal prep space as well. And then plenty of storage on this side, and then a provision for your refrigerator. And for convenience, you have your powder room. With elegant lighting. And right here, at the same level as the main amenity spaces, you have your first bedroom. So there's a provision here for a window type air conditioning unit, but if you'd like to have a split type air conditioning unit, this can easily be closed up. You have built-in storage right here. And then check this out, you have beautiful narrow wood flooring for the bedrooms. And also a significant ceiling height for the rooms as well. And once again, an ensuite bathroom with Bravat branded fixtures in terms of the sink and the toilet as well. And right now we're filming this in the late afternoon, heading towards the early evening, and you can hear the birds chirping all around the area because there are a lot of trees surrounding the development, and it's a peaceful residential area. But at the same time, it's just 5 minutes away from the main thoroughfares here in Mandaluyong, heading towards EDSA. And of course, you have fast access through your elevator. And now let's head on up towards your third level. Let's go. And now we're here at the third level, and you can see you have fast access for your elevator. And now let's take a look at your primary bedroom. Wow, this is such an intelligent way to organize the layout. So you have an almost perfectly square-shaped room, giving you a lot of options in terms of how you can arrange your furniture. In addition, you can have your bed on this side, or here, or even here. And at the same time, you have a private balcony, just like the ground level. This is just an additional space where you can relax beside your primary bedroom. And once again, you have the screen. And now from your master bedroom, let's take a look at your walk-in closet space and bathroom. So you have plenty of storage here. And right here on the other side, you have a nice dresser space, even with an outlet as well. And the natural wood flooring extends to this space. And from here, you have a spacious master bathroom. has an irregular lot shape, but you can see how the designers use that to their advantage to have this unique layout that just works. So you have a large area for your shower, and then a freestanding Bravat branded bathtub, and then a dual vanity sink space. And this wall was maximized to have this large mirror to give you a feeling of more space. And of course, your toilet here on the other side. The area is large enough that you feel like you're going through two significantly spaced rooms. And of course, your primary bedroom. And you already have a Samsung branded split type air conditioning unit here as well. And here you have your third bedroom. So this third bedroom is similar to the first bedroom in terms of the layout and the design, once again with the storage. And here you have an ensuite bathroom. I like that the space of this bathroom was maximized by having an extended countertop for the sink area. And that's a nice usable space for toiletries. Okay. And you also have that beautiful natural wood flooring for the stairs. Let's head on up. Now we're here at the fourth level, the top level of the property. And once again, you have access towards your elevator. And this overlooks the staircase area. What's nice is for safety. This is a nice height also, but this allows for ventilation for the staircase. And right here you have your fourth bedroom. Similar once again to the third bedroom downstairs. So you have 3 bedrooms with this layout and this design. And once again, with that modern bathroom. And right here, you have the 5th bedroom. With a provision for a window type air conditioning unit, which can also be closed off if you prefer a split type air conditioning unit. This room has an irregular shape, but what's nice is there's a defined area here where you can have a large bed. And you can have your television set here on the other side. And you also have a spacious storage area right here. Also have an ensuite bathroom. And from your 5th bedroom, you have a second family area on top of your living space. You have a family den room. Here. And it has 2 separate balconies. So you have one balcony right here. Once again with the faucet, so you can have some potted plants here. And then a second, more spacious balcony in front. But before we explore that, I just want to mention that you can potentially close this off and convert this entire area into a master bedroom. Because you can have your door here, and then this would be one part of your master bedroom with the bathroom and the walk-in closet. Or you can make this entire room the walk-in closet, and then this would be the main area of your primary bedroom. So that's just an idea. There's so many ways that you can maximize the property. And of course, this has so much natural light. And let's now take a look at your spacious balcony. Now we're here at your balcony space. And this is not a Juliet balcony. This is significant such that you can have a table and 2 to 3 chairs here as a nice area to relax on top of your family room. And you also have a nice view from up here. You can already see the Ortigas skyline from this space. And that caps off our house tour of this brand new single detached 5-bedroom house and lot for sale with an elevator here in Mandaluyong City near EDSA and San Juan. If you want to know more about this brand new 5-bedroom single detached house and lot for sale located in this quality 4-unit real estate development here in Mandaluyong City near San Juan and EDSA, you can send us a message or contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.